Good morning, student. Welcome back here. I hope all are well. And now, myself Nidhi Lal. Today we going to discuss chapter number 3, Nationalism in India. And this lecture number is last lecture and last topic, the sense of collective belonging. Okay, student. Now start. The sense of belonging. The nationalism is spread when people begin to believe that they are all parts of the same nation. When they discover some unity and that binds them together, the united struggle for independence help in building the sense of collective belonging. Additional, a variety of cultural process also captured the spirit of nationalism. You can see that student in this picture allegories. Student, this word is allegories. Allegories means student a symbol representing an abstract idea. An idea represented through a person or thing. Person or thing is known as allegories. Student, this the identify of India came to be visually associated with the image of Bharat Mata. Okay, now reasons for development of nationalism in India, united struggle and cultural process. Okay, now see, firstly united struggle, second cultural process played major role like history, fiction, songs. First of all, student, united struggle and cultural process. Now see, Bharat Mata and India folklore. Bankim Chand. Student, the image of Bharat Mata was first created by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay and in 1870 when he wrote Vande Mataram. It was first painted by Amindranath Tagore and later acquired the many different forms drawn by the different artists. Okay, and devotions to this figure and mother figure and came to be seen as evidence of one nationalism and the idea of Bharat Mata, and the idea of nationalism also developed through movement to revive Indian folklore, see Gana, Desh Bhakti, patriotic song वगैरह, and it was national identity and restore a sense of pride is one past. Okay, nationalism mainly image for the image of Bharat Mata was first created by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay in 1870 when he wrote Vande Mataram. Now, nation depicted in images, I am already discussed that the identity of the nation is most often symbolized in a figure and image and with which people can identify the nation. The image of Bharat Mata was the pictorial representation of the motherland. I am already discussed that mother figure came to be seen as evidence of one nationalism. Okay, and Vande Mataram, the nationalism song, was written by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay in 1870, and this was sung during the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, and different artists projected their own version of Bharat Mata. Now, see Bharat Mata in this picture. The idea of nationalism also developed through movement to revive Indian folklore, and it was initial to preserve the folk tradition, to discover one national identity and restore sense of pride in one past. And in this figure show कि Bharat Mata की devotion to this mother figure came to be seen as mainly evidence of one nationalism. Okay, and it was first painted by the Abhinav Tagore and later acquired many different forms drawn by different artists. Okay, now see next. Folklores. Many nationalism leaders took help of folk tales and to spread the idea सब तरफ फैलाया जा रहा था, spread किया जा रहा था, wide spread of nationalism, and it was believed that the folk tales reveal the true pictures of traditional culture. Okay, and national flag are you see that, see again, national flag, three colors, see. So the national flag which we see today has evolved through various stages at tricolor, red, green and yellow, and was used during the Swadeshi movement, and there were 8 lotus on it which depicted the 8 provinces of British India, and there was a crescent movement, crescent moon means Adha moon, and crescent moon on the flag, which represent Hindus and Muslims. And Gandhiji had designed the Swaraj flag by 1921. It was also a tricolor, red, green, and white. I am up see again, red, green, and white. Okay, now, and there was a spinning wheel in the center. See again, spinning wheel. Okay, now student, again, कि nationalism leader accepted symbols which unified people, and writers urged the readers to take pride in the achievement of the past and struggle to change the condition of life under the British rule. And during the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolor flag जैसे red, green and yellow was designed, and it had 8 lotus representing the 8 provinces of British India, and a crescent, a half moon, and crescent moon represent Hindus and Muslim. And in 1921 Gandhiji designed the Swaraj flag. It was again a tricolor, 3 color made, red, green and white, and had a shining wheels in the center. It means ki spinning wheel, and representing the Gandhian ideal of self-help, and carrying the flags, holding a lot of during the marches, become a symbol of defense. Now again, next topic. This parts again revised कि in Bengal Rabindranath Tagore himself began collecting ballads and nursery rhymes, myths, and led the movement for folk revival. In Madras, Natesha Sastry published a massive 4-volume collection of Tamil folk tales and folk tales of southern India. And during the Swadeshi movement in Bengal, a tricolor flag, red, green and yellow, I am already discussed the above part, was designed. It had 8 lotus and represent 8 provinces of British India, and crescent movement, it means ki half moon, and presenting the Hindus and Muslim. And Indians begins looking into the past to discover India. Great achievement, student, great achievement. And they wrote about the glorious development in ancient times when art and architecture, science, math and religion and cultures, law and philosophy, crafts and trade had a flourished. Now next, nationalism spread when people begin to believe that they all are parts of the same nation, and when they discover some unity that bends from together. History of fiction, folklore and song, popular prints and symbols are played a part in the making of nationalism. I am already discussed again this part of revises. It was in the 20th century, and with the growth of nationalism, that the identity of India came to be visually associated with the image of Bharat Mata. The identity of India came to be visually associated with the image of Bharat Mata. Are you know that ki the Bharat Mata image was first created by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in the 1870. He wrote Vande Mataram as hymn and to the motherland. Amindranath Tagore painted his famous image of Bharat Mata. The image of Bharat Mata acquired many different forms as it circulated in popular prints and was painted by different artists and devotions to his mother figure came to be seen evidence of one nationalism. Okay, now reinterpretations of history. Many Indians felt that the British had given a different interpretation of the Indian history, and they felt that it was important to interpret the history from an Indian perspective. They wanted to glorify the rich past of India so that the Indians could feel proud of their history. Student की growing anger against the colonial government brought together various group and classes and Indians into a common struggle against British, and the different expectation of diverse group posed a concentrate of unity. Okay, student, unity, and this was challenged by the Congress and under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi into an organized and united movement for independence. Okay, independence. Now last conclusion. A growing anger against colonial government was the bringing together various group and